While most 4-year-olds are playing with toy motorbikes, incredibly, Timo Kuleshov is already riding them. And his fastest bike can go an impressive 45 miles an hour. He started riding a bicycle before he was 2 years old and soon took part in competitions. Just a few months later, he began to ride motorbikes. And by the time he was 3.5, he was taking part in children's competitions in Russia. His proud parents, Alexander and Victoria, say that he has no competitors in his native Ukraine. But despite his success, he doesn't brag. In fact, he often doesn't even tell people that he rides motorbikes. His parents do say that they worry a little bit about him riding a motorbike, but his other hobbies include skiing and trampolining, so he clearly has a taste for speed and danger.